All right, here is a reminder how to solve one-step equations. So you're going to look on the side that has the variable. So for this first one, x plus 3 equals 1, the variable is on the left. So we have to get rid of that plus 3. So we are going to do the opposite, which is also called the inverse. So the inverse of addition is subtraction. So we are going to subtract 3, and we have to do that to both sides of the equal sign. 3 minus 3 is 0, which is nothing, but we still have the x over here. And then 1 minus 3, don't be fooled, it's not 2. If we have $1 and we try to spend 3, we will go in debt, negative $2. You could also be on a number line, starting at the number 1, and you'd go backwards 1, 2, 3, and you would land at negative 2. All right, so for this one down here, the variable is on the right. We have to do the inverse of subtraction, which is addition. So we are going to add 4 to both sides. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0, which is nothing. So we're left with just the x. And then over here on the left, negative 7 plus 4. If we play tug of war, the negative team wins. They have 3 extra players on their team. So x is negative 3. All right, so for this one over here, 2 is kissing x. That means multiplication. The inverse of multiplication is division, so we are going to divide both sides by that 2. 2 halves is 1, and 1x is just x. And then negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. And for the last one here, this fraction bar means division. The inverse of division is multiplication. So we're going to multiply both sides by that negative 5. We always want to use the number that's with the x. And we'll do it to both sides. Sorry, that's kind of sloppy. All right, 5/5 is 1. And if we have 2 negatives, that's a positive. So we're left with just x. And then negative 3 times negative 5 is positive 15